Resthaven is a richly diverse community founded on the principles of inclusion and unity, embracing and respecting each person's beliefs, culture, language, sexual orientation, gender identity, lifestyle, life experiences and values. Established in South Australia in 1935, Resthaven is a not-for-profit aged care community service associated with the Uniting Church in Australia. Resthaven's new 5-year strategic plan looks to the future. It's our next chapter. We are a community sharing a journey with purpose. We are working together to provide outstanding care and support for older people and their carers. Our plan is inclusive and embeds our values of trust, dignity and choice. It touches everyone and everything we do, every day. Trust involves being a team player and doing what you say you are going to do. It means acting with integrity, honesty, and being reliable, always communicating in an open and transparent way. Dignity is fundamental in all our relationships. We respect the individuality of others and help them be their best. We act with kindness and compassion and listen to understand. We offer people choice to support and empower them to make decisions. Working together in partnership, we keep our customers at the center of everything that we do. We embrace and respect each person's beliefs, culture, life experience and values. Our 3 key areas of focus bring life to our plan and all that it seeks to achieve. Resthaven is purpose-driven to lead, locally, nationally and internationally, for positive change that benefits older people and responds to emerging demands for services. This requires a capable, caring and skilled workforce. The future we offer is built on firm foundations and a proud history. We are working together with purpose.